there's a lot of economic prosperity that's going to come along with this transformation. But there are going to be costs.
When they lose their livelihood, it's like losing a loved one.
We thought it was just going to be there forever. Word came down that we weren't going to be economically viable anymore.
There's no model for how to do this. We are making this up as we go, but we cannot leave them behind.
What's the transition that we want to help those communities with now? Because these transitions take a long time.
For 50 years now, we gave low-cost energy and power for the state of Arizona. We didn't profit from it.
I've spent the prime of my life battling the pollution here. I never got a chance to use any of this land.
The great opportunity here is for communities that have bore the brunt of extraction.
This is really a huge effort for us to invest in the Native community, to employ our own people, to provide off-grid power for families that need it.
We could do a better job of designing that so that the energy system helps alleviate poverty, not cause it.
How do we ensure that these things exist for our kids into the future? To me, it's that simple.
We need to start learning now at a pace and a scale that we've never learned before.